I'm a little stressed out. We have so much happening. I think we should open these now. It is officially opened. So this is the first box. So we just pulled up to the studio. Hey guys, it's Julia here and welcome back to another video in my Jewel Swim series. And today is Wednesday, August 18th, and we have some major updates. So on Monday, I got a notification that my bathing suits are going to arrive this Friday the 20th. Now I can book the studio, which I'll show you guys in a second. I already asked my friend Milanka this morning if she would like to model, and she said she was down, so thank goodness, because I was getting a little anxious about that. I really wasn't sure if I was gonna find somebody that'd be down, but luckily Milanka is down, so that is good. I posted a TikTok last night promoting the brand. I want to play it, but I feel like I don't want to get copyrighted because there is copyright music in there, so I'm not going to, but it's super cute. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, make sure you do. My username is just at Jules, J-U-L-Z, Gilman, G-I-L-M-A-N. Go follow me. There's definitely gonna be more where that came from. Also, if you saw the last vlog, you would know that we took a bunch of promotion photos at the beach that I need to edit. So many, oh my god. So I need to edit those, or like some of those today, because I have to post some to promote the website, and I need to make a few like maybe story prompts. I don't know, we'll see what we get to because I still have to edit. I'm a little stressed out. We have so much happening. I'm actually going to New York City this weekend for my friend's birthday, so I need to literally get everything done today, tomorrow, and Friday before 5 because I think that's when we're leaving. So it's crunch time. We have a lot to do. But I'm gonna show you guys the really cute studio that I'm thinking of booking for Monday's shoot. We're gonna be doing all the website pics and maybe some video clips too. I think if I can do like some like GIF video clips on the website, that would be really cool. But yeah, let me show you. So this is the studio I was thinking about. I really like that they have a white backdrop and they have a lot of windows for natural lighting, except we're going to be shooting at 6 p.m. so it's going to be like sunset hours, although I will be bringing my studio lights, so we'll be good on lighting. And they also have studio lights there. I feel like this might be like a golden hour. I feel like it will look good during that time. And there's like a plant, a mirror. I don't know. I think it's just like a really cute studio. So wait, hold up. They have a dressing room. I mean, that's so cute. It's also really big. It's like 1,700 square feet. Not that we're really gonna need all that space since it's just the two of us, but I mean, who knows? I think this will be really cute. And once I hear back from Milanka about if she likes the studio, I'm gonna book it and then we'll be good to go and I can check that off the list. Oh my god, I gotta show you guys my laundry list of stuff to do. It's insane. Ignore this side. This is just like everything I have to do basically this month. But today is Wednesday the 18th and this is everything I have to do today. It's so much for me, at least. I might have to cross a few things off the list, but I also spelled laundry wrong. Ignore that, please. But yeah, there's a lot on there. I like making my to-do list on my iPad. I have like a really nice app for it, and I just like keeping everything in there. I actually have like a whole journal in there. I have my therapy notes, my therapy homework. I do DBT therapy. I've never really like talked about this on here, but I keep everything that I need to keep track of for that in there. And yeah, it's so nice. I use the GoodNotes app for my journaling stuff, but I use this app for all my scheduling and to-do list stuff, so it's so helpful and it actually really helps me stay on track because I am all over the place. I'm gonna go ahead and get back to editing because I need to get that done today, and then maybe I'll do the thumbnail tomorrow. We have so much to do, guys. Okay guys, so I'm messaging the studio owner because I actually found a different studio with blackout blinds because we're going to be shooting in the evening and I don't know if the sunset's going to mess up the lighting since it's going to keep changing. So I'm messaging the guy now about potentially renting a 5D. I have the 5D Mark III, but my autofocus is like not that good, so I might rent his Mark IV potentially. Okay guys, I'm booking the studio now. I have everything correct. We have Monday the 23rd from 6:30 to 9:30 p.m. Okay, so I just applied for the space and now we have to wait for it to be accepted. Okay, so I'm about to get my nails done. It is 9:25. I'm 5 minutes early. Also, I was listening to some lo-fi chill fruits music on the way here. I've just really been digging lo-fi lately. Like music with no words, I've just been really into. These are my nails currently. Very bare. They really need some help. I took some inspo pics off of Pinterest to show the nail tech, and hopefully we can get something cute going like these. This is my like main one that I really like, but I want it to be a little longer than this. Anyway, I'm gonna go walk over now so I don't end up being late, even though I am kind of early. Okay, so my nails are finally done. They look so good. I literally went in there at 9:30 and I just left and it was 12:33. So I was there for a really long time, but also the toes look so good. We ended up doing a white gel toenail polish. I've never done gel on my toes before, so we'll see how that goes. When I want to remove it, I'm probably gonna have to soak it off, but luckily I have all of the stuff for that, and if I decide that I want to get a refill, I'll just get a refill there. And if I decide not to, I can just clip them and soak them and drill them off, because I know how to do this stuff now, just not very well. But that's why we went to the nail salon to get them done, because I want them to look really good for the photo shoot. Okay, so it's a lot later on in the day. It's almost 8 p.m. and I have a few updates for you guys before it gets dark. So let me show you. My studio booking got accepted. Then I did a few promo stories on Instagram and Snapchat to promote the email list on the website. And I also did a feed post. So let me show you. Let's go ahead and click my stories. Okay, so the first one says, I'm so excited because the first official Jules Swim bikini collection is coming Friday. And then I did a little like excitey thingy there. Then the next photo is a picture of the samples that I took when I was at the beach in my last vlog. And I said, are you excited for the at Jules Swim launch next week? And 92% of people said, can't wait. And then the next one says, if you answered yes, swipe up and add your email to the at Jules Swim site so you're notified the minute it launches. And that takes you straight to the email list, which we've actually had a lot of people add their email to. So as you guys already know, I got my nails done earlier today and I went to post a picture. So I said the before, and I also said getting my nails done to match the color of the new Jules Swim collection. And then I made a little questiony thing for any guesses of the color. Somebody said blue, so close, but no. Somebody said orange, and then somebody said purple, and I was like, shh, because yeah, we do have some purple in here. And then I showed you guys the after picture and wrote, if you guessed purple or minty green, you got it right. And then I showed my snack because I went and got a snack at one of my favorite coffee shops today and a latte. And then here's our new post, wearing at Jules Swim, hee. And there we go. It's super duper cute. I actually edited some bikers out in the background. I highly doubt you can tell, but those shadows there are from the bikes. And then I did basically like the same stories on my snap. Yes, yes, and that's it. Ignore my partially done makeup, but today is a really exciting big day for us. Today is August 23rd, and today we are unboxing the bikinis because they're here. They got here Friday. I actually got home from my New York trip yesterday, but I was so tired that I didn't have the energy to open them, and I really wanted to be like excited and like energetic for it. So now we are here today and we're about to unbox the bikinis, and then later on today we're gonna do the e-com photo shoot, which if you don't know what that is, it's basically the website photos where the bikinis are on a model with a white background and you can look at them and see what you think of the front, back, side, close up, whatever, all that stuff. So yeah, we have that tonight and we're gonna go unbox them now. I'm so excited. Literally, I have not looked, I haven't peeked. There are two, I think, yeah, there are two huge boxes at my front door plus one smaller one. They're inside the house at the front door. So we are going to see them. And then tomorrow I need to go get little baskets to put them in by size so that we can organize it and have them ready for shipping, because I want to launch the brand on Thursday. Today is Monday and I want to launch it by Thursday. So I think we can do it. We have a lot to do though. So we have this big one right here. Then we have another big one right here that did get busted open, but but the DHL guy said nothing fell out and all these are in bags, so none of them got damaged. They're nice and secure. Then we have this littler one on top, which I think is the accessories, if I'm not mistaken. And then 2 Amazon packages for the e-com shoot later. This is light bulbs. This is a memory card. Just needed some extras in case. And then we have a Roomba and cat food. I'm at my parents' house, clearly. I think we should open these now. Hope you can see me, but I got my handy dandy scissors. Let's start with this box. I need to grab 12 suits. I need a small and a medium in every style to take through the shoot. Ta-da! We got it! We got one open, okay? Woo! Okay, so I see in here skirts. I see in here a trendy style, and I see in here a heart style one. Oh, and they're marked on the bags, the sizes. That is genius. Thank goodness. Now I can open up the other. These are definitely not the hair ties. I think they're my full coverage bottoms and tops. They are, and this one's a medium, so I'm gonna need that for later. Glad we got that open, minus the mess. It is officially opened. So this is the first box, our second box, and our third box. Tomorrow, you guys will get to see me organize the boxes because I don't have the containers for that yet, but we'll be needing to pull one of these mediums, and if there's any mediums in here, and the smalls as well. But they are so pretty, you guys. You can already see the colors. Like, you can see the purple tie-dye, and you can see the green tie-dye. I love it. Okay, so we have my camera equipment here. We have all the bikinis right here, all 12 of them, less the skirts. And then we have all of them in a size small and all of them in a size medium because we're either gonna be a small or a medium. Okay, so I have the scrunchies and headbands here. So I'm gonna pull like 2 of each from these. Okay, so I pulled out 2 of each scrunchie and 2 of each headband. So I'm gonna throw them in this baggie if they all fit so we can pack them up. And we're all packed up. Whew. Okay guys, so I'm officially all packed up. It just started raining. I'm about to go to Whole Foods and grab some snacks before I pick up Milanka, who's gonna be modeling today for our website shoot. And you guys probably are familiar with her. She's been in a bunch of Rachel's videos. She's a friend of mine and Rachel's. But anyway, Milanka's a great model. She loves taking pictures, being in pictures, and loves the beach. So I was like, what better person for a bikini shoot? So let's go before I like sweat my makeup off. So we got the snacks over here. Now off to get Milanka. And my allergies are going crazy right now. Oh my god. Okay, so we got Milanka. She's gonna model. I feel like the lighting's kind of bad.
I gotta sit right here.
We see you. So we just pulled up to the studio. And I think this is it. Okay, we'll go check it out and then bring the stuff in and then we'll start shooting. Yay!
I'm so excited.
She has Sarah Cameron vibes, by the way. Super Sarah Cameron vibes.
I'm trying. She's an icon.
And you're going to the Outer Banks soon.
I am.
So
I am.
she's a competition. She is windsurfing.
Yes, I am.
So check her Instagram. And you can see all the info. All the action. And that's a wrap! Woo! The shoot went so well. I'm so happy. I can't wait for you to see the photos.
I think that they're gonna be
yes, they're gonna be so cute. And I can't wait for you guys to see the suits. Okay, so it's the next day and I've been literally sorting through all of the images so I can edit them. And big shout out to Milanka for being my model. The pictures turned out gorgeous, so thank you, Milanka. I know I said I was going to sort the bathing suits out today and take like a head count for how many of each piece that I have, but that's gonna have to wait because we are still going through the images. Here's a sneak peek at one. While I was gone shooting yesterday, my mom actually threw all the bathing suits into big plastic boxes so we could discard the cardboard boxes, but I'm probably not gonna get a chance to sort the bathing suits until Thursday. Well, Thursday or Friday is when I'm trying to launch because tomorrow I'm going to the beach with Samara for her birthday. So I guess you'll just have to see me sort the bathing suits in the next vlog. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you like the bathing suits, because you definitely saw them when we were shooting. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss another one of my videos. I post every Saturday at 3 p.m. EST, 12 p.m. PST. And I'll either see you in my next video next week or my previous video, which you can click at the end. I love you guys so much. Bye!